Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen. This is Tips and Tricks, and what I wanted to show you is the correct way to make a chicken cutlet. Chicken cutlets are made with chicken breast, and it's an odd shaped little thing because you have this knobby bit and then a flat piece. So what I do is I cut the knob off, just like that. Then I cut across and sort of butterfly that. And don't worry if you get a hole like I have. And then this piece can stay whole. You have this little tendon that you can cut out. And there's actually another one in here, right there. And that, that's something that you really don't have to do. But then what I do is put it between either two pieces of plastic wrap or put it inside of a freezer bag. Today I'm just going to use parchment paper. If this is dry, you want to wet this. You can just take a few drops of water, splash it on here. This is wet enough, I'm just going to leave it. Then you take your meat mallet, and if you don't have a meat mallet, you can use a rolling pin. You can use a pot or pan, and just on the bottom of your pan, you just kind of whack at this. If you have a mallet, if you're in the market for one, rather than buying this hammer style, it's much easier if you get the style that's flat and has a stem coming out of it that you grip like this and you just go like that. Much easier. I had that in a professional kitchen, but at home, this is what I bought, this is what I use. So what you do is you come down and you strike away from you or towards you. You don't just smash it, because then you're just going to splat the whole thing. So down and away. And then run your hand over it, and our hands are very sensitive, so you can feel if it's even, you can feel how thick it is. This feels pretty good to me. So let's take a look at it. That's perfect, look at that. It's about 1/4 of an inch, and now I just have to whack that side. But because I have this hole, what I'm going to do is just bring this over. And it's amazing how you can meld all of this meat together and no one will ever know there was a hole there. So again, you want to feel this, make sure it's even. I have a little lump there, and there's the chicken breast. This is a little lumpy where I overlapped two pieces of meat to get rid of that hole, but I'm not going to worry about that. That feels pretty good, actually. So there you have it. That is how you make a scallopini or cutlet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on Tips and Tricks. Bye, guys.